dimension application SOLIDWORKS. When we create a sketch on a plane or in the draw document, to activate the command Smart Dimensional on this sketch toolbar. Smart Dimension activate the command. Next, the cursor on the dimensioned object, two-dimensioned at that time, and the system will automatically put down the size. Click left mouse button on the field and set the value. Edit the value leader and other in the construction of the dialog box. Maybe some 50. Change the position of the label. And holding left mouse button and drag someplace.